If there is one food I use the most in cooking, it would be onions. They begin almost every meal I make. I may add garlic and or celery or both, but the base is generally onions. So I was very happy when I researched this to find out how very healthy onions can be for us. Hi, I'm Mary Bourne, traditional naturopath, and I love sharing natural remedies with people. Natural remedies have been around for hundreds, even thousands of years, as the one we're going to be talking about today. Natural remedies work, and they work on humans. They've been tested on humans, they've been used by humans, and not in a petri dish, and they have no double-blind studies or any of that nonsense to prove that they work. It's just common sense. So according to the website Onion History, most researchers agree the onion has been cultivated for 5,000 years or more. Since onions grew wild in various regions, they were probably consumed for thousands of years and domesticated simultaneously all over the world. So we really can't say it came from Asia, it came from Mediterranean. It was sort of like this thing that just occurred, like 100 monkey type thing. So onions may be one of the earliest cultivated crops because they were less perishable than other foods of the time. They were transportable, easy to grow, and could be grown in a variety of soils and climates. In addition, the onion was useful for sustaining human life. Onions prevented thirst and could be dried and preserved for later consumption when food might be scarce. While the place and time of the onion's origin is still a mystery, many documents from early times describe it as important as a food as the use in art. So the onion skins could be used for dyes, medicine, and mummification. So, like so many of our herbal remedies, the food has been used by humans for over 5,000 years. Maybe the ancients didn't know it was so beneficial for health, for the good heart, for helping deter inflammation, and was a great prebiotic. But what they did know is that it was a wholesome food that could make other roots and meats taste better. The Pilgrims brought onions with them on the Mayflower to be a garden crop, a popular commercial crop in England. They did not wait long enough to produce onions for a market in New England. 1 bushel of onions was included on a cargo list of a coaster on Long Island Sound in 1667. And more were documented on vessels in 1718, headed as far away as Suriname and Barbados. So onion can also be used to flavor oils. Now, according to some people, this is, you have to be careful because of botulism. There is a way to preserve the onion using an acid, but if you just cook an onion in oil and try to preserve it, it won't last very long. Some say 3 days, some say 4 days in the refrigerator, but it is a wonderful dipping oil if you like to put herbs with a scented oil. So this is the recipe. You can do a screenshot of this and make it at your leisure. I also will leave a link in the description below for finding recipes on doing flavored oils. But onion benefits. It's a nutrient-dense food. And it's packed with vitamin C and B for tissue repair and the mineral potassium. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. High in the antioxidant quercetin, and you can look that up. It's very popular now, known not only for heart health, but also as an antiviral. A diet rich in allium, now garlic and onions are all in that allium family, which means they generally grow a globe of blooms. You can see alliums, the flower, generally they're purple in bloom, but beautiful. So a diet rich in these types of vegetables like onions may have protective effects against certain cancers. There's been some research to that, and I'll also link that Healthline article in the description below. But the main thing I want to talk about here is the fact that it's a prebiotic for gut health and immune support. Now, why do we need prebiotics? Well, prebiotics help our bodies feed the probiotics. Now, if you're a gardener, you know how important it is for good soil health to have these good bacteria in your soil, worm castings, that type of thing. We need to enrich the soil to make it alive. And these prebiotics feed the probiotics. Now, probiotics provide a few billion reasons why good health starts in your gut. Our unique, this is from Nature's Sunshine, and that's a company that I love and trust, and I use this every day. So Probiotic 11 offers a potent blend of 11 strains of friendly bacteria to support a diverse gut microbiome. And that's what we're talking about. When we grow vegetables, we need a healthy environment so that these microbes break down the minerals that can make the food taste better and be healthier for us. And it does the same in our gut. It is a part of digestion that occurs in our intestines. So it aids in this digestive process. It supports a healthy gut environment and contains prebiotics, which may improve the growth of friendly organisms. Now, you know, the FDA makes us put these may help situations, and the FTC. In the last 10 years, the ability to speak freely has been taken away from us. We can't tell you health benefits anymore. That's something that we can get in trouble with and can be censored for. It's really been criminalized to tell the truth. So it's very upsetting for me, because the things I used to be able to say even 10 years ago, I can't say anymore. We can't allude to the fact that disease is because the body isn't being fed properly. Food is our medicine. We need to really be aware of what we're putting in our bodies, whether it be in food form or in other forms. We cannot take the chance of putting stuff in our bodies that may cause ill health. Now, if you're interested in getting a discount for the Probiotic 11, I'll leave a link in the description below. So onions are an everyday food healthy thing to do. Now, when we eat onions like the red onions, it has special antioxidants that are in the skin of the onion, the coloring of the onion. When we eat yellow onions, that comes with a different type of plant-based antioxidant. So if you have questions, please email me, drmary@bornforhealth.com. If you like this video and have found it useful, give me a thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe, and please share these videos so that other people can understand that food is our medicine, that we need to be aware of what we're eating, that we eat the best quality food that we can possibly get into our bodies. Get control of your health by focusing on the gifts of nature and the joy all around you. And I want to thank you for watching this video. Please watch some of my other videos that I have. I've been producing videos now for a couple of years, and they're all on my YouTube channel. So this is Dr. Mary for the Health of It. Till next time.